Entrance to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. We're going to take you on the walking directions to the Big Bad Wolf. Speed it up a little bit. First thing you do is go left, follow our lead. And you got to get to Oktoberfest in Germany. As you can see on that sign, keep going over this bridge. Festus House, go left at the Festus House. Festus House, left. One other bridge here, and you will see your Big Bad Wolf right here. There it is. So we're getting in line. We're the first people here, as I just beat everybody in a run. So, the Revenge Big Bad Wolf, June 2025. 5.3K. We gave you the walking directions on how to get here. It's a solo coaster. We're the only ones on it. Can't promise that. But enjoy the...
Why they go upside down?
Not sure. This is an inverted family coaster opened in 2025. May 2025. We're going to look at it. So there it is, 5K POV, the Big Bad Wolf. Wolf's Revenge with walking directions. Summer 2025. I'm gonna speed it up, get to the station. And subscribe to my channel, check out all my other POVs. Busch Gardens, Tampa, Busch Gardens Williamsburg. That was it. This Big Bad Wolf. The Wolf's Revenge. Like and subscribe.